Hello and welcome to another episode of Secret Suppliers. And this week is a very special episode because it's one of those suppliers that I personally have always found really difficult to come across, and that is accessories. So I don't know about you, but I've often found that I can find accessories in and amongst different shops, somewhere, and special finds are obviously more hard to come across, but it is rare that I come into a shop where I know I'm absolutely going to find the gold dust, the really stunning accessories as soon as I walk in. So here are a couple of places where I can recommend that you can do that. Just before I come on to the secret supplier reveal, please do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. For the first secret supplier, we are walking into the Chelsea Gardener. Now, although this doesn't seem like it would be somewhere that you might find accessories, this is a perfect place to find those special vases, the unique vases, outdoor vases, indoor vases. And I always have a problem with vases and finding really special vases. So this is a place where you don't necessarily expect to walk in finding accessories or vases, but you absolutely can find so much. Obviously, this is a place that sells faux plants, real plants, and so many beautiful other pieces like garden furniture and lots of different other things. But to me, this is a special place that people don't often look to find vases, but this is a great place for them, so do look there. Okay, and for my next secret supplier, and a very new supplier in terms of having an actual retail store in this area, so it is Bonadea, and Bonadea have the most exquisite store now on the Pimlico Road. It's absolutely stunning. They sell really beautiful plateware, dinnerware, linens, so many other things, but one thing they do have, and something that possibly you wouldn't expect them to have, are really beautiful accessory pieces. Some really stunning ceramic pieces, again some lovely vases, but really some unique and special pieces. So if you haven't been there already, do go in. The showroom is exquisite, and it's just a little slice of heaven in Pimlico Road. So do go, they are fantastic. Okay, for my next secret supplier, and again, this is one that you wouldn't necessarily think to find accessories in, but it's the flower market. The Covent Garden flower market in London is full of surprises. Other than just being full of flowers, you can go in and find lots of different supplies, whether they're vases, little trinkets, so many different things. So don't just assume that it's only flowers, there is so much more. And for my fourth supplier, it is Dale Rogers, also on the Pimlico Road. Now, many of you who are designers already in London may have already seen Dale Rogers. They do the most beautiful reformed pieces of minerals, fossils, and stone, and they reshape them into pieces of furniture, accessories placed on pedestals. They are just stunning pieces that really you could have in any space that would automatically just elevate the look, feel, and sort of value and richness of that area. Walking in here is literally like being in a dream cave full of surprises and treasures. I mean, there is nothing quite like this place. You do need to have the budget for this place. They are special pieces. It's somewhere where if you can buy one piece in a home, then it's definitely worth having one instead of lots of smaller accessories. This is just such a lovely thing to be able to bring to your own home. So my final secret supplier, my last but definitely not least, is Linley on the Pimlico Road. Now, most of you who know Linley understand the quality that that name brings with it. And walking into their shop, if you haven't been recently, is just so special. You know, Linley has a way of bringing quality to the forefront of every piece of accessory or furniture that they make. There is something about this British quality that just speaks for itself. The craftsmanship of the products at Linley are really second to none. I have rarely seen any other manufacturer create anything like what they can create. The marquetry, the detailing in all of their products is, you know, just exquisite. So if you have a gift that you'd like to gift somebody, or if you have a project that you want to accessorize and you're able to, and you have the budget for it, then Linley is exactly the right place to go. It is rare to find a supplier that is so consistent over such a long period of time, as well as across such a variety of items. And if that's what you're looking for and quality is your clients and your concern, then Linley is the place to go. Thank you so much for watching this week's Secret Suppliers. I am loving sharing the secret suppliers with you. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. These videos have been not just a pleasure to make, but genuinely we've been given such support by manufacturers and people watching, of course. I really believe that there's never been a time in history where there has been so much collaboration and, you know, people coming together to work together in the way that they are now. And I genuinely feel that sharing such a wonderful added value, not just to us, but hopefully to you. It's really supporting the suppliers that we work with and hopefully supporting all of your businesses. Every corner you look in has every corner you look in